Morning everybody. Life is a ride. Stuck in traffic before you whine or scream. So testing this new, well not new, new 8 tab from Thork Racing. It's a rugged tab. It basically replaces your speedo if you want it to on your bike. It's got everything on it you need. Rev counter, coolant details. It logs into the DM port on the back of the bike, gets data from that via Bluetooth. One of the good things about it is all your apps and everything you need is all in one place. So I keep saying so Cardo, you can see that very well. Cardo Ways, Apple Music, and any other app. There's more options there to add more apps. Are all in one place. So you want to use your Cardo system while you're riding rather than fumble with your phone. This is directly in front of you, which is really useful. How to connect? No, don't need all that. I'm not connected at the moment, so I can't really show you. You can use Waze, you can use Google Maps, Apple Maps, even Apple Music on an Android tablet. Pretty clever. What it generally does is take the emphasis off your phone and off the crappy Nav 6 and the Nav 7 that's coming out. Let's face it, that's going to be crap as well. And put it all in one place. It's a rugged tab, it's waterproof. It does road maps, so those of you who are into rallying, off-road, it does PDF road maps. There's a lot more it does than I'm showing you on this little rainy hill in the UK. But yeah, keep it peeled. It's really useful. It can be used with gloves on. It shows you all the traffic. One of the clever things about it is it stores all your GPX routes. Wish I know how to use this damn thing. There we go. Stores all your GPX routes right here. So everything you need GPX wise will be logged here. So if you're doing a tour with 10 days of routes on, they'll all be there. So wake up, day 3, click, go. Thank you very much. Google Maps on, and you're off. And so far, I found Google Maps to be the best one. Waze, bit gimmicky, but Google Maps, I mean, look at that. Shows bloody great red line down here into Henley-on-Thames. I am stuck in traffic. Not that I care about that on a motorbike, but hey. So yeah, so far so good. I'm pretty impressed, but keep it. It's on a bouncy spring, so apologise for that. Everything you need is there. It's like having your laptop in front of you while you're riding a motorbike, and it's glove friendly. Keep it peeled. I'm going to get used to this over the next few days now that it's got the new update on, and I will show you everything it can do. But basically anything a tablet would do, an Android tablet will do, this will do. But it's totally waterproof, rugged, cover it in dust, shit, chuck it in a puddle, all good. And you can listen to music while you're going. It says I'm offline because I haven't connected it to my phone. Anyway, I'm moving before somebody screams at me. Keep it peeled, subscribe, do whatever you want. But I will be posting more info on this little beastie for Thork Racing out of Portugal.